Hello everyone, I'm Ligo. Today's topic is BTS V and Kim So-hyun fortune harmony analysis. I was able to see V and Kim So-hyun on the music show. Overseas YouTube subscribers have requested their fortune harmony. What kind of harmony does they have? Their fortunes were very unique. Let's analyze it together. V is a beautiful flower in his fortune. Flowers like to be gathered together, and they are adaptable. Kim So-hyun is a candle in her fortune. Candles are thoughtful and warm-hearted people. The letters marked with pink hearts are those that mean popularity in their fortunes. All of them. Blue heart means a good energy to help themselves in their fortune. V is a fortune who gets a lot of help from his mother and the seniors. Kim So-hyun's fortune is to meet a good spouse. They all have good vibes. V's fortune structure is very unique. The letter that means women and wealth means space, perception, and value judgment, but it is formally established. Input energy has a strong position in information collection and academic acquisition. The fortune, which is strongly confronting these two forces, is very intelligent, and it is a good fortune to utilize the knowledge and information he has acquired in a very valuable way. However, there is a disadvantage of having a rather rapid mind and psychological instability. Kim So-hyun has strong letters that correspond to art expressing herself. She is a natural actress, and there are also letters like the ones that mean her, so she is very self-centered and driven. And there is a bit of a sensitive part because there is a conflict. It's a fortune to meet a good husband, but having a conflict with herself means that when she gets married, she may have a slight opposition from her parents or have a disagreement with each other. But other than that, I think she will benefit from her husband a lot. It's a psychologically decent and comfortable style. But there's a conflict, so I think she will be a little sensitive in her personal life. They look psychologically compatible, and right below the letter self is the spouse's position, which is a fortune structure with a real spouse in the spouse's position. It's a good structure. The style is a bit different, but it's a fortune that goes well with it. I will give them 85% for their fortune harmony. Everything you do goes well and be happy. Thank you. Subscribe, thumbs up please. Thank you very much. Bye.